actually. I've been reading this in other ones, so let me find adaptive immunity to infections.
Lovely.
That's what I'm going to be.
Lovely.
And give me a count.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, hello. I'm Mr. Baker, just reading a little immunobiology as one does. You're an AP student and you're looking and trying to understand how to do molar concentration problems. Well, I'm going to hook you up. Molar concentration problems come from the lab we did where you took potatoes or apples and you put them into various concentrations of sucrose. This is a picture of some sitting in a 0.8 molar. Notice they're floating. They're less dense. There's a key there somewhere. Once you do your initial and final mass measurements, you get a delta percent. This is the percent change. 22% at 0, 10, -3, -15, -22, and -35. Then you are going to make a chart. This may be provided to you, or you may have to do it on your own. If you do, make sure that it is equivalent from below 0 to above 0. You should put down a title. I'm going fast, so I'm not going to. You should label this, which is delta percent. And you should label the other axis, which is molar, brackets means concentration. You're going to take 0, 22, plot that. 0, 22 is about here. 0.2, 10. 0.2, 10, about there. 0.4, -3. Ballpark it there. 0.6, -15, right around there. 0.8, -22, about there, and 1.0, -35. Now we want to draw a best fit line, a straight line. And I, of course, set this up to give me a pretty darn good straight line from the get-go. This line crosses 0 right there. Then, where it crosses the 0 plane, drop it straight down, and then you're going to have to estimate. I'm going to say that that is about 0.38. That is our molar concentration of gold potatoes measured against sucrose concentration. You follow me on that? I hope you do. So now we want to find the psi s of gold potatoes. Psi s you find out by using this formula, which will be provided to you. Psi s is -I times C times R times T. Psi s, -I. I is something called an ionization constant, which for sucrose is 1. That will be given to you. Times C, which is the molar concentration that you got from this graph, 0.38. R is a pressure constant, 0.0831. T is the temperature in Kelvin. Most labs are going to be around 70, 72 degrees, which is approximately 20 degrees centigrade plus 273 Kelvin is 293. You will be allowed to use a calculator. So then you plug those numbers in, and your answer is -9.25. You have now found the psi s of gold potatoes simply by putting them into sucrose solutions. I hope that helped. Study hard and good luck.